Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Gradio AI by Gradio step by step clearly. To install Gradio AI, first, ensure you have Python installed on your computer. You can download Python from the official website, python.org. Once Python is installed, open your command line interface. For Windows users, you can search for cmd in the Start menu. For Mac users, open the Terminal application. Next, check if Python is installed correctly by typing Python version and pressing Enter. You should see the version number of Python displayed. Now, it's time to install Gradio. Type pip install Gradio into your command line and hit Enter. This command will download and install Gradio along with all its dependencies. Once the installation is complete, you can verify it by typing pip show Gradio. You should see details about the installed Gradio package. To start using Gradio, open a new Python script or Jupyter notebook. Import Gradio by adding Import Gradio as gr at the top of your script. You can now create a simple interface with Gradio. For example, define a function that you want to create an interface for. Next, create a Gradio interface instance by calling grInterface. Pass your function, input components, and output components as arguments. Make sure to specify the types of inputs and outputs needed. Now, call the method launch on your Gradio interface to start it. After running your script, a local server will start, and a link will be provided. Open that link in your web browser to see your Gradio application in action. Congratulations, you have successfully installed and launched Gradio AI. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.